Greetings to you all from my home office, as all of PWS&D staff have been working from home for the last couple of months. My name is Smagghe, and I'm the Director of Presbyterian World Service and Development, the Development, Relief, and Refugee Sponsorship Agency of the Presbyterian Church in Canada. Thank you for letting me share with you how the Church is responding to the international needs created by the COVID-19 pandemic. First, let me extend my thoughts and prayers to you who have been affected by COVID-19 through the loss of some loved ones or sickness of some loved ones, through the economic hardships and weakening of livelihoods, through multiple challenges brought on by isolation and also social distancing. I'm grateful for the support programs that the Government of Canada has put in place to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 in the lives of Canadians. And the Presbyterian Church's website offers a lot of information on how the National Church can support you and your church to find useful links to important programs. More than anything, though, today I'd like to share with you how the Church is reaching out internationally. Citizens of many affected countries don't have access to government-funded programs because they simply don't exist. For many, the imposed lockdown forces them to choose between going hungry, facing the risks of getting sick, or being punished for breaking the rules. Since the beginning of this pandemic, PWS&D has adjusted in various ways to meet emerging international needs. In the initial phase, we worked with our partners to reallocate project funds from training activities that were no longer possible to activities aimed at better preparing them and their communities to the COVID-19 pandemic. As a member of the ACT Alliance, we contributed an initial $25,000 to a large $12 million appeal for the COVID-19 response. Our initial contribution went to a rapid response fund that is funding 14 emergency projects in 14 countries. And all these projects are led by locally based organizations and partners. For example, in Afghanistan, we're helping to provide personal protective equipment to health facilities and some cash transfers to vulnerable families. In Ghana, with our support, the Presbyterian Church of Ghana is providing food assistance to the most vulnerable, like the elderly, women, and children. They're also supporting 3 health centers with protective equipment and hygiene supplies. In Malawi, we are aiding with prevention and protective measures, water and sanitation promotion as well, and working with faith leaders to ensure that correct information is disseminated. Much more will be needed in the coming weeks and months. We hope to contribute much more, but this will depend on the funds that we are able to raise. So you can help us to do much more in this response. These measures are going to make a real immediate difference in the lives of those that we serve. The World Food Programme estimates that the number of people in critical need of food will likely double this year because of COVID-19, from 135 million people last year to 265 million this year. As a member of Canadian Food Grains Bank, PWS&D will support food assistance projects with funds available and seek government matching funds of up to 4-to-1 for many projects. Did you know that $50 is enough to feed a family in crisis for a month in most of our program countries, like in Malawi or South Sudan? When that $50 gets then matched, it becomes $250, and that makes that much more of a difference. I encourage you to visit our website, werespond.ca, for the latest updates, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We're grateful for your generosity in helping all of these projects be possible. We're still accepting donations by check at our office or online through our website. And we can also help you to set up for regular monthly donations, which are so necessary in these times of prolonged crisis. We hope to provide more updates like these to you. Let us know how we can help spread the news about our work and about the work the church is doing together. Be assured that PWS&D is working hard at reaching out in these difficult times. And I leave you with my hope that you find peace in every day that is given to you. Thank you.